learn accounting definition, accounting process, accounting objective and needs, and accounting users. So we will look out first the definition of accounting. Definition is given by the triple A. What is the full form of triple A? American Association of Accounting. What says? Accounting is the process of identifying, measuring and communicating economic information to permit informed and judgment and decisions by user of the information. You always remember what is the accounting. I just highlight with the highlighter. There are three things. One is identifying, second one is measuring, and third one is communicating. This is the definition, and you always remember the full form of triple A. Triple A is American Association of Accounting. Now we will go ahead for the process. Process. First, identify. The transaction which are financial in nature are identified and selected for recording purpose. Next है record. The transactions are recorded in daily books called journal. Next, classify. The amounts are transferred and posted in a book called ledger. Summarize. At the end of financial year, trial balance is prepared which show the balances of all accounts in the ledger. The ledger are prepared like that: income, expenses, assets, debtors, creditors, capital, etc. at the end of the year. Interpretation. Interpretation means forming an opinion about the figures in the accounts. Interpretation of final account help to find out why the profit is so high or low, how the profit can be increased in future, how the profit compare with the profit of competitors, whether the concern is solvent or not, etc. Last process, communicate. The final account are always communicate to the interested parties such as owner, investors, etc. Now, input. Financial transaction in business. What is the output? Information to the users. Now, in next slide we are going to learn what are the objectives of accounting or needs of accounting. Objectives and needs. First, data wise record or date wise record. It is not possible for businessman to remember the details of all 100 transactions which takes place every day. So, bookkeeping aims to keep a permanent written record of the details. The details are entered date wise in a daily book called journal. Account wise record. The transaction relating to a particular account are spread over a number of pages in journal according to the dates of transaction. There is a need to keep a account wise record of transaction. Each account shows at one place the summary of full transaction and the balance of particular person such as item of assets, income and expenses. Third objective, year-wise profit or loss. A businessman wants to know how much profit he has made. Accounting aims to compute the profit by comparing the income with the expenses relating to a particular period. Fourth, year-end financial position. A businessman always wants to know his financial position, the value of his assets and liabilities, the amount due from debtor and due to creditor. This is done by preparing the balance sheet at the end of the financial year. The balances of assets, liabilities, capital, debtor and creditor are summarized in the balance sheet. Analyze account. This is the last objective of accounting. It is not a use just preparing the final account. They must be analyzed and interpreted. The various figures in the accounts indicate whether the profits are more or less if compared to the competitors, how profit can be increased, whether the financial position is strong or weak, whether the business is solvent or not. Such analysis helps to improve the profitability in future. After the objectives and needs of accounting, we will go ahead for finding out how many persons are there who are using the accounting. The first person is a owner who need to know how much income is earned by using their funds. Next, employee who need to know whether their employer is profitable as well as stable. If profitable concern, will pay good salary as well as bonus also. Next person is a lenders. Lenders such as bank or financial institution which give loans to the business concern, who need to know whether their loans and interest will be paid on time. Next है creditors. Creditor who supply goods to the business concern on credit need to know whether their outstanding will be paid in time. Next है customer who purchase goods need to know whether they can depend upon the business concern for supply of goods over a period of long time. Last है government. Government need to know how much taxes should be paid by the concerned business. These are the 6 people who know and how to use this accounting information for what purpose. So thank you everyone for listening. Accounting definition, accounting objectives and accounting process with accounting uses. Thank you once again. Thank you.